Strings as key name and strings as data values can be differentiated by single or double quote marks enclosing them, left or right side of colon character, presence of escape sequences, presence within objects only. The correct answer is left or right side of colon character. In JSON, negative numbers are allowed as integers, fractions, scientific notations, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The purpose of Boolean types in JSON is for presence or absence of a variable, true or false state of a variable, digital representation of data. Boolean type is actually not supported in JSON. The correct answer is true or false state of a variable. White spaces in JSON are automatically reduced to one white space, always ignored, ignored when they are outside the key name or data value content, not allowed. The correct answer is ignored when they are outside the key name or data value content.